What's up, everybody? It's game time. I had a request for more basketball and I am delivering. Hopefully my crazy optic luck from football will carry over to basketball and I will get this guy's autograph. Only one auto, just like football. 20 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, just like football. Let's see who we get. Hopefully, even if I don't pull his autograph, maybe I could get one of his parallels. We shall see. We shall see. Come on, optic look. Carry over to basketball. I need you. Oh, alright. Let's dig in. Let's see who we get. DeRozan, Harris, all clear for takeoff. Russell Westbrook, Miles Turner. Let me watch for my autograph so we can do it last. Alright, Deladova, Rubio, Retro Series, Baron Davis, and Luke Kennard. I said it when I was opening the new Topps baseball. It seems really weird for like some rookies to no longer be rookies. Like, I still feel like Fultz should be a rookie. Anthony Davis All-Stars insert. Randall, there's LeBron, Kevin Durant, all heart, and my first Raider rookie is Jared Vanderbilt. Chris Paul, Jason Tatum, Retro Series, John Stockton, and Jeff Green. I do have some retail of this on the way. I got a blaster and like rack packs on the way, so we can check that out. Retro Series, Oscar Robinson, Matu, Raider rookie. I'm trying to make sure I've kind of been really heavy on the hobby products lately. I want to make sure that we check out retail stuff too, so you'll know what to expect out of that. All clear for takeoff, Donovan Mitchell and Thomas Raider rookie. Got something. Hardaway, Dwight Howard, Black Velocity. That is numbered out of 39. Wow, I wish that had been a rookie. Good looking card though. You're definitely not guaranteed one of those. So we've got another parallel, an orange, Jaylen Brown. And that's to 199. And Spellman, Raider rookie. Collie Stein, Vucevic, Eric Gordon. This is out of 149. Tristan Thompson. James Johnson, Ron Anderson, all heart, James Harden, and Bridges, Raider rookie. Jordan, Walker, Antetokounmpo, and that is numbered out of 99. That's good. Wendell Carter Jr., Raider rookie. Got a little pack there. Peyton, Brogdon, All Heart Butler and Holiday. This All Heart, I say it looks funny. It's numbered out of 99. It is the Prism version. Hang on, I'll pull one of the base so you can see the difference. There we go. You can clearly see a difference there. Almost didn't catch that. Oh, looks like we have another, and it is Lillard All-Stars, and it's the Prism version. I guess it is. It's not numbered like the other one was, though. But it says Prism right there. It's funny the other one was numbered and that one's not. Strange, Panini. Very strange. Gordon, Horford, Frazier Hollow, rookie. Sorry, Frazier Jr. Carmelo. Getting down to the bottom. Should have an autograph soon. Booker Hollow. Oh, sweet. Larry Bird Retro Series. Oh, I think I just bumped my thing. Not numbered, but again, it does say Prism down there. Randolph, Gilchrist, Vucevic, Hollow, and Melton. So far, no Luka. Not even the rated rookie. Is this the auto? It is something turned backwards, so I assume that's the auto. So let's do this last pack and then we'll check out the autograph. Lonzo, nice clean white background. Huh. Swishful Thinking, Kemba Walker, and Kevin Knox, rated rookie. Alright, here we go. You only get one. Walker, the 4th rated rookie, and then a Cauley Stein Hollow, Brandon Ingram, and Lillard, Damian Lillard, Dominators Gold out of 10. So that's pretty good. That is not a rookie, but that's okay. Damian Lillard Gold Dominator. Just 10. I think any Lillard fan would be very happy to have this card. So I'll take it. Pretty solid box. I mean, again, I haven't really studied the rookies, so I can't really say if my rated rookies were all. I mean, I know I'm looking for this little Luka kid for sure, but I don't know about the rest. But this is good, and the others, some of the parallels look good. So I think it's a pretty good box on the whole for sure, and this is definitely nice. So that's it. One box of 1819 Donruss Optic basketball. Again, I've got some retail of that on the way and may do another hobby box of that. Let me know if you want me to open another one of those. See if I'm going to say that my Optic luck is still rolling along because that's a very nice card. So, I mean, it could be, great for basketball. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you being here. Take care, and I'll be back soon.